Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Kuda Tech and Kuya Da here again. Since I don't have any person to hold my camera and I have a laptop here to show you on how to upgrade this one. I have a Acer laptop here. Since I don't have a cameraman, I will be the one to hold the camera. I have a Acer TravelMate. Yes, this one is powered by Intel Core i5 10th generation with a full 1080p HD and with a 1 TB hard drive. I will show you the model. I will going to flip this one and open underneath, open the disassemble. Okay, to be exact, I'm going to show you the exact model for this Acer. This one is TMP2145252Y5. Yeah, that's right. This one is for Acer TravelMate P214 series with the 19-volt 2.37 ampere. So I'm going to show you how can we disassemble this laptop. First of all, you must remove all the screw. Yeah, be careful when you're removing the screw. You can use this kind of tools, screwdriver, and if you have a sticker here, be sure that you cannot void this sticker if you're not authorized person to open your laptop. Here are all my screw. Okay, I already opened this laptop. Okay, I'm going to remove the cover, and this one is the view of this Acer TravelMate, and this one is the battery pack, the big one. This model for the battery pack is AP18C8K. Yeah, this one is the spec 11.24 volt with 4471 milliampere, 50.29 watts. And this one is hard drive. This laptop has a hard drive only, but this one is upgradable into NVMe SSD here for the NVMe slot. That's why I have a Kingston NVMe here, 250 gig A2000 series with the 35 times faster storage, and it has a 2 available slot for the RAM memory. This one, it has a default RAM for 8 gig DDR4 266 with a Hynix model with the Korea brand, and it has a fan here. And this one is the hard drive, the Wi-Fi module. So have a better look for the whole angle view of this motherboard. Okay, it means wait. Okay, it means this laptop is upgradable up to 8 GB, equivalent to 16 GB DDR4 266, and up to 256 256 or 512 GB NVMe for the SSD. Okay, right guys, hope you have an idea for this kind of model to upgrade before you bought it, or before you go to the mall and buy the laptop. You have a idea now. Just remember the exact model, and then the price for this one is, I'm going to show you the price. I'm going to tell you 36,600 pesos. Alright guys, see you there. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to have a more video like this. Bye bye.